Aren't y'all tired of eating out? I know I am. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna make some chicken sandwiches, similar to like Chick-fil-A, if you will. So I went to the bakery and I got these great, I don't know what you call them. They're baked fresh, and they're buns, okay? But they're the square ones. So I'm gonna put these in the oven. And then I got some grilled chicken breasts that I've cut and seasoned. We're gonna do it in the air fryer because the air fryer makes the chicken more moist and juicy to me. Normally, I would put it on the grill, but I wanna keep it juicy and delicious. Here we go. So I got in the vegetable department some sliced onions, some lettuce, and tomatoes. If I buy too much, it goes to waste. Then I got some pepper jack cheese. Then I got the Chick-fil-A sauce. Yeah, baby. Okay, so I'm using my air fryer. I'm gonna spray my air fryer with the avocado oil, just like that. And then I'm gonna put the chicken in the air fryer. I'm placing the chicken in here. Now I seasoned it with salt, pepper, Montreal steak seasoning, and some paprika. All right, not too salty. All right, and there it is. Then I'm gonna take a little bit more olive oil spray it on the chicken, and we're gonna pop it in. We're gonna put it at 385 for 10 minutes. Turn it over halfway through, and it's gonna be juicy. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn the chicken over. It's halfway through, as you all can see, and it's nice and juicy. So we're gonna turn this over, and then we're gonna put it back in the air fryer for another 5 minutes. Okay guys, so I took the buns, split them in half. I'm gonna spray some avocado olive oil on it, and I'm gonna put it in the oven for like 6 minutes. Okay, so now I'm gonna put some pepper jack cheese and melt it on there for delicious. All right, it's all done. Let's make the sandwich. We're gonna take the bread that's been toasted with olive oil. Then we're gonna put lettuce. We're gonna put tomato. We're gonna put some onion. Right there. Then we're gonna take the chicken. Look at that. Put it on there like that. Woo! And then we're gonna take that special sauce, which is the Chick-fil-A sauce, and put it on there just like that. Yes, baby. Then we're gonna take that cover, put it over here, and there it is. Look at that. There it is. All right, so let's cut it. Cut it in half like that. All right. We're gonna open it up, and then, and look at that. Right, let's take a bite. There it is, look at that juicy chicken, look at that. Better than eating out, better than fried food. Delicious. See y'all later.